For the Audacity example, we decided to use click-through probability instead of click-through rate. Why? And how do you decide in general?
So generally speaking, you use a rate when you want to measure the usability of the site and a probability when you want to measure the total impact, right? So if, for example, you want to measure the usability of a particular button, you use a rate because the users have a variety of different places on the page that they can actually choose to click on. And so the rate will say how often do they actually find that button. Now, if you just want to know how often users went to the second level page on your site, you use a probability. Because you don't want to count, did users double click or did they reload or all of those types of issues.
Okay, and in our example, we're interested in whether users are progressing to the second level of the funnel, which is why we picked a probability.
That's right.
That makes sense. So how will we actually compute the probability?
So to compute the probability, you're going to have to first work with the engineers to modify your website. They're going to have to change the website so that on every page view you capture that event. And then whenever a user clicks, you also capture that click event. Now, once you have the data captured, to compute a rate, you just sum the page views, you sum the clicks, and you divide. Pretty simple. For a probability, though, you're going to have to match each page view with all of the child clicks so that you count at most one child click per page view.